Welcome to Millwood Outdoors. I'm Jeff, and today we're going to talk about Blizzard Elsa. This is day number 2. It is 6 a.m. Let me turn the camera around for you. And here's what we've got this morning. It looks like there's, I don't know, maybe about 6 inches of snow out there. Let's take a walk. You saw the day 1 video, and we had about a foot of snow yesterday. The snow was pretty heavy and thick. This snow is a lot lighter and more powdery. Because the snow was so heavy and thick, I was only able to plow about 1 car width in the driveway. Our road has not been plowed. Well, maybe it has been. Actually, I think it has been plowed. So let's walk back up to the garage. I don't know. Maybe there's more than 6 inches. It's just so hard to say with it drifting the way it is. Exactly how much we got. I just went straight outside. I didn't bother to check any weather reports or anything before I came out, so So yeah, I think it's too hard to film in the dark. I don't have enough lighting when I'm doing any snow blowing to take you along. So we'll talk to you later and let you know how the rest of the day turned out. So it's about 3 p.m. in the afternoon. This is what it looks like after a day of the wind howling. I was out here about, I don't know, about 5:30, 6 o'clock. And I blew the driveway out, so we had 1 pass. And so I haven't been out here since then. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to get started trying to blow some snow. And we'll see how that goes. It's still pretty windy. The blizzard warning's not off until 4 p.m. And so we'll see how that goes. If it's too windy and the wind's not in the right direction, maybe I'll have to come out later. Talk to you later. Well, the blizzard of 2026, Blizzard Elsa, has come to a conclusion. The blizzard warning ended at 4 o'clock. It's still windy out, but the winds are calmer than they were before. Hopefully this audio is okay. I didn't bother to put my microphone on. We got this plowed out. My son came over and helped. So between my little Toro blower and the Cub Cadet and the blade, we got a decent path to get vehicles out. That's my sister-in-law's Trailblazer that's for sale, and someone wanted to take it for a test drive tomorrow. I don't think that's going to happen. So yeah, this is going down as the fourth biggest blizzard since the 1800s, I guess. So they're comparing it to the blizzard of 2018, and then there was another one in 1979. We've been here since 1997, and I don't ever remember getting this much snow in one snowfall. So thanks for watching, and spend some time outdoors.